Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most talked about upcoming blockchain launches, a project built entirely around zero-knowledge proofs, massive real-world investment, partnerships with global brands, and a pre-sale format the crypto market has rarely witnessed before. This project claims to merge privacy, decentralization, AI power, and real hardware, and it's already backed by over $100 million before selling any tokens. That alone is a huge statement. But once you dive into the tech, the infrastructure, the partnerships, and the fairness of their ecosystem, things get even more interesting. So sit back, relax, and let's break everything down in simple language. Because once you understand how this system works, you'll see why the crypto community is buzzing about it. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decision. The foundation of this entire project is something called Zero Knowledge Proof, often shortened to ZKP. If you're new to this term, don't worry, I'll explain it clearly. At its core, zero-knowledge proof is a type of cryptography that allows someone to prove information is valid without revealing the information itself. This means data can be verified, confirmed, and trusted, all while remaining private. Compare this to chains like Bitcoin or Ethereum, where every transaction is visible to everyone, and you immediately see the difference. ZKP-based blockchains allow a new kind of digital environment where businesses can protect confidential operations. Users can keep personal data secure. AI systems can compute sensitive information without exposing it. And the entire network still remains transparent and trustworthy. This blend of privacy and verifiability is incredibly powerful. That's why ZK technology is becoming one of the biggest trends in the crypto world. What makes this project stand out is that the team didn't raise money first and build later. Instead, they built everything up front. And only now, after completing major development, are they opening their token sale. So far, the project has already received over $100 million in funding, entirely self-provided. Out of that, $20 million has gone into real infrastructure, $17 million into physical hardware that is ready to deploy, and the rest covers engineering, cryptographic systems, and operational backbone. This approach is extremely rare in crypto. Most pre-sales are just ideas on paper. This one is already operational before the token even launches. The official launch is scheduled for November 27th at 12 p.m. EST, and the whitelist is currently open. You can even set a reminder on the website to avoid missing it. Now, one of the biggest talking points around this project is its real-world partnerships. Unlike the usual vague collabs you see in crypto, these are full-scale partnerships with recognizable global brands, most notably FC Barcelona and the Miami Dolphins. This gives the project exposure not only in digital spaces but in real stadiums, sports events, and global broadcasts. Imagine blockchain branding appearing in major football stadiums and NFL venues. That instantly introduces the technology to millions of people who rarely interact with crypto at all. Before launch, they're already building visibility across sports, AI innovation hubs, and blockchain communities worldwide. Not bad for a project that hasn't even released its token yet. Now let's talk about the heart of their ecosystem. Real hardware devices called proof pods. These devices are designed to generate cryptographic proofs, support privacy-focused AI computations, and help operate the ZKP network. Think of it like a modern, eco-friendly version of a Bitcoin miner, but for zero-knowledge computations instead of just raw hashing power. The proof pod comes ready to use straight out of the box. You literally plug it into power, connect it, and it begins contributing processing power to the decentralized AI network. In return, the owner earns ZKP rewards. This reward system is based on meaningful computation rather than pointless energy usage, which makes it more sustainable and more useful. Each proof pod can be upgraded through 299 levels, and every level represents $1 worth of earning potential per day. So for example, level 1 earns about $1 worth of ZKP daily. Level 50 earns roughly $50 worth of ZKP daily. The rewards are calculated daily based on auction contributions, so the system adjusts fairly depending on participant activity. Speaking of auctions, this is another interesting aspect. The ecosystem uses a daily distribution model where 200 million ZKP tokens are allocated each day. The more you contribute to the pool, the larger your share of that distribution becomes. For instance, if the pool collects 1,000 USDC and you contribute 100 USDC, you receive 10% of that day's distribution, which equals 20 million ZKP. And here's the twist. The system includes a strict anti-whale mechanism. No one can enter more than $50,000 per day, and the minimum is just $50. This ensures equal opportunity for smaller investors and prevents wealthy participants from dominating the ecosystem. Another major highlight is the manifesto behind the project. They emphasize that there are no early VC investors, no insider allocations, no secret token unlocks, no unfair advantages. The project was intentionally built to oppose the manipulative tokenomics that dominate the crypto industry. Everything is self-funded, and the team remains anonymous to maintain neutrality and avoid the typical influencer or VC bias. The credibility of the project also got a significant boost thanks to shoutouts from major online figures, including Andrew Tate, who recently commented on the utility of the ecosystem and its potential significance for privacy in the crypto space. With massive infrastructure already active, hardware ready for shipping, and global partnerships already cemented, the momentum going into the pre-sale is unlike anything you usually see. Their Telegram community is growing quickly, their whitelist is open, and early participants stand to receive the best entry pricing during the launch. So to wrap things up, this zero-knowledge proof project is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious blockchain launches of the year. It combines cutting-edge privacy tech, real hardware, multi-million-dollar infrastructure, big-name partnerships, and a fair anti-whale ecosystem designed to reward actual contributors instead of insiders. If you want to get ahead of the wave, this is the perfect time to research, join the whitelist, and stay connected through their Telegram updates. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay crypto smart.